The 2001 Harley-Davidson Police Road King FLHPI is an iconic motorcycle used by law enforcement agencies worldwide. Its distinctive appearance with police sirens make it instantly recognizable as a symbol of authority on the road. Equipped with Harley-Davidson's renowned twin-cam 88 engine, the FLHPI delivers robust performance and ample torque. This engine's design ensures smooth power delivery, allowing officers to respond quickly to emergencies and maintain control in various riding conditions. Hey, real quick, before getting back to the facts, I want to talk about our sponsor. It's us. We have an eBay store where we sell thousands of used parts for a ton of different makes and models. Plus, we have free shipping. Be sure to check us out and see if we have parts for your motorcycle by clicking the link in the description. The Police Road King comes equipped with advanced safety features to support law enforcement duties. These may include upgraded brakes for improved stopping power, police-spec tires for enhanced grip, and additional lighting and sirens to increase visibility and alert motorists. The Road King was designed for long hours on patrol. The FLHPI prioritizes rider comfort. It features a spacious and cushioned seat, ergonomic handlebars, and adjustable foot controls, allowing officers to maintain a relaxed riding position during extended shifts. These comfort-focused features contributed to rider endurance and minimized fatigue during demanding duties. Thanks for watching this time-lapse teardown. If you like this style of content, then you're sure to like some of the other videos that we've put out. Feel free to click one of these videos that are popping up, or if you want to see everything that we've done, it's easiest to just go to our channel here, and while you're there, you can click the subscribe button and like and comment on some of our stuff. We respond to all of the comments, and we really appreciate it. So go ahead and do that for us.